Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, we're going to see how to prepare an orange souffle. Let's see the ingredients required. 10 grams China grass, 4 oranges, if you can get Kamala, loose jacket orange, well and good. 250 ml of fresh cream, 400 ml milk, 400 ml homemade condensed milk, about half cup of water. Let's soak the China grass in it. Let's soak the 10 grams of China grass in 1 cup of water. In the meanwhile, we'll get the other ingredients mixed. In a large mixing bowl, first let's take the condensed milk. This is fresh, made at home. You can click the link above if you want to make your own condensed milk for your desserts. Let's add the 400 ml milk to the condensed milk. Mix them well. Now let's add the cut orange to the milk mixture. Mix them well. Let's add the 250 ml fresh cream to the mixture. China grass sets very fast, that's why we've assembled all the other ingredients. Once we dissolve the China grass, we'll quickly add it to the mixture and set it at room temperature. So let's get started with the dissolving. We're adding a cup of water to the pan in which we're going to dissolve the China grass. So for 10 grams of China grass, we're using about 2 cups of water. So the stove is on. We've added 1 cup of water to the pan, 1 cup to the China grass. Let's add the China grass to the water. Keep stirring and wait for it to dissolve completely. This we are making using China grass. You can use gelatin. Since some people, particularly vegetarians, prefer to avoid gelatin, we're showing how you can make it using China grass. I'd like to thank my good friend Jayshree Rao, who shared this recipe with me. She was very good at desserts. This is one of the umpteen desserts she's made, and we all copied her. Stir it continuously and ensure that the flame is very, very low. Why we're asking you to stir continuously is we don't want the China grass to start setting at the bottom. So keep moving it around. Now you can see it's almost dissolved, just a few strands. Keep some water ready in case you need to add a little more. I've set aside a little of the milk mixture as well. I'll first add it to the China grass to bring down the temperature, and then add the rest of the orange mixture. It's done. You can see it's all dissolved. So let's switch off the gas and remove the pan onto the granite. Now to bring down the temperature, let's add this small bowl of fruit mixture which we set aside. And now quickly we'll add the rest of it. We've mixed it all thoroughly. We'll just allow it to set in small serving bowls. So wasn't it easy? Allow it to set completely outside at room temperature and then refrigerate it and serve chill. I'm sure you're waiting to try it. With these Australian oranges, it does taste good, but any day, our very own Nagpur oranges are the best for this recipe. Do try it. It's very easy. No extra sugar added to it. Only the condensed milk, of course, has sugar in it. It's very easy to make, very few ingredients required. You could try it with gelatin, but gelatin has to be double boiled. Do not dissolve it like we did with the China grass. Double boil your gelatin, about 3 teaspoons of gelatin for the same quantity of the other ingredients, and you'll be able to have a yummy orange souffle. It sets very quickly at room temperature, more so if you set them in smaller cups. It sets very well in a large bowl as well, and it's worth the wait. So go ahead, make your souffle and set it. You can substitute the oranges with either nice ripe Alfonso mangoes or crushed strawberries or a mixture of these fruits. They too taste very well. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.